So you have this amazing coconut just processed, and we're gonna make a few products. So we first grated this one. In this case, we didn't use the handle one, just put in the Cuisinart and use a grater in there. Why? I wanted to keep them big pieces so we can dry, dehydrate, and make a grated coconut. That'll be great. So I'm going to make a milk. You can see here some milk already done. And I wanted to scoop. I put in the fridge overnight, and this part in here is the cream. So all the fat separates from the milk. So we have a cream coconut. And usually I use this to make the yogurt, right? You probably see other videos where we use the cream and probiotic, and I make the yogurt. So in this way you have our own cream. And that is one, the milk. This is a nice glass. Coconut's the best superfood. So much from coconut. Let me see if the water is boiling. And this one is after I squeeze. We still have some oil in here, so we're going to dehydrate this one. So this one I squeeze and make the milk, right? I'm going to put in this part. So like that. So this one, I'm gonna leave the fat together so we can make some ice cream. Yeah, gonna just mix everything together. Gonna put some maple syrup over here. Let's get the vanilla. Vanilla. And then this machine, you leave freezing. You just fill over here. Fill it out. This is the maple syrup and vanilla. That's supposed to be good in an hour, 2 hours. Still boiling. Pour in. So this one just boiling water until cover the coconut. Yeah, just enough to cover, and then sitting here until it's cooled down and we can strain. I like to use this one to strain. Yeah, and any cloth. So yeah, just wait. You can see many. So this one make the milk, just straining. Make some chai later. So this one I'm gonna separate. So good. I don't have a fresh cow milk for a long time, so I don't know if this is best cow or not. But it's very good. And this is how the coconut stays afterwards. And then I'm going to dry here to make a grated coconut, and you can use dry flakes. And we took the cream from the coconut to make some yogurt. And with the milking we'll make some ice cream and probably some soup for lunch. And you can enjoy anything that you love to. Thank you, give it a thumbs up, and aloha.